Hello and welcome everyone. Today we'll learn auto numbering and number alignment. This video will also available in Bangla also. Please see in the description. So let's go to the Insert tab and select some columns, and in this case we're selecting 2 columns and few rows. And we will drag one of the borders to adjust our serial number and description. Here we can input the serial number manually, putting 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Although this is not a smart one. Well, here is some extra tips for you. If you wish to add some extra column or row, instead of inserting from the Insert tab, just click plus sign at the corner of each cell. This makes it a lot easier. Like this. Okay, now we don't want to make numbering manually. Rather, we wish to make an automatic serialization. Now we will select our respective column and go to numbering section on the paragraph tab, and as you can see that a lot of auto numbering features are available, like you can make it on Roman, on smaller ABCD or capital ABCD, and a lot of options in there. But in this case we're continuing with our numerical entry. Here we go. You can see that our automatic numbering is done, but here is a problem. 1.2.3.4, but after 10 there is no dot, or at least we can't see it. So if we try to make it on the center or take it on the left, it won't work. So what can we do? We can just select it by left pressing on the number 1, and you can see that all the numbers has been selected, and we can drag it to further left like this. Yeah, if you wish, a little bit left, yeah. And that's how you can set your numbering smartly. And here you can see a lot of space is in there, but you can use on your purpose smartly. Well, thank you for watching. See you on the next video.